Hey y'all, how you bossin'? This your girl Kaylee coming to you with another video. Today we have a tutorial on how to get these lovely Bohemian locks for all of my girls who don't know how to braid, not quite the great hairstylists in the world. This tutorial is for you. I can't braid worth a lick. I can barely part. But I achieved this beautiful look and I'm going to show you how. Let's get into this video. Tired of looking ratchet? She look good when she move in the line. First step, wash. Alright, so I'm freshly washed and a little bit dry. And as you can see, I have it parted in 4 sections. That's normally how I detangle and condition and then plait it or twist it back up so that it will be manageable when I am starting to do whatever I'm going to do with it next. So for washing my hair, I used Picture Me Natural Deep Cleansing Shampoo, Moisture Galore, Aussie Miracle Curls Shampoo, and for conditioner, Creme of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Intensive Conditioning Treatment. And for my shaded ends, this is the result. Not bad. For leave-in conditioning, combination of Picture Me Natural leave-in conditioning treatment and the Bella Curls, the whipped coconut leave-in conditioner. And we also have some Picture Me Natural growth stimulating oil. Shout out to the powerhouse Nina Nolan from Memphis, Tennessee. She is the founder and creator of Picture Me Natural hair care products, Black owned, Black girl magic.
Show her, just do what you do. Go on, girl, do your thing, make them look at you. Go on, girl, it's your world, just do what you do. Like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it
locking in moisture with a coconut olive oil mixture.
It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight.
Alright, so I have shampooed, conditioned, and locked in my moisture. So now it's time to get started. So I will be applying the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. And I will be plaiting single sections first. So I have already pre-parted my hair. Please don't judge me, I am not the best parter. I couldn't part to save my life. But it's gonna be bomb once we make it through, so.
I think it's getting hot in here, let me roll my sleeves up. So hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. So hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. Now it's a different kind of feeling when you vibe. Don't know where you're going, you just in it for the ride. Head in the days, but you love it and you can't lie. Sex will get you murdered. What a feeling when you in it, when you ride. Feel like you're living when you give into the lie. You can feel it when you look into my eyes. Temptation in my soul tonight. What is this taking over me? I hope I don't fold tonight. The alcohol got me like this cause I don't wanna be alone tonight. I feel it in my body, got me in the zone tonight. I only act like this cause I've been on my own to survive.
The back and most of the front. Finishing, we need to finish the last row in the very front. Alright, my edges are a little thin, no worries. And with the ones in the front, if they're a little thin, braid down to a portion and then twist like a little spiral. Now with the second part, you want to find your part. You don't have to be perfect. This is a tutorial for those who don't know how to braid and those who can't part like me, but it's still coming out boss. So just hold tight.
So hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on tonight. It's hot in the club like 50, we gon' get it on
These are it for the single flat. See you for the next stage for the installment.